guys, today I'm going to tell about basic workshop technology in diploma first year, first sem and the first unit. These workshop technology is most important for the mechanical engineer. This subject belongs to mechanical engineer. So in this we have many types of processing of manufacturing. Manufacturing in sense the any raw material it's come into which is required into our necessity. So basically in workshop we have four types. One is carpentry, fitting, forging and blacksmith. So these are the small categories of basic workshop technology which I'm going to explain in these all the videos of tools and the usage, the process of those particular termed things. So first we are going to deal with the basic workshop processes. So first we have the basic workshop processing. In that we have first one as casting. Casting is nothing but we have to make some molds and we have to pour into the molds the molten material. The molten material is nothing but the metal which is heated up to 1000 degrees Celsius. Though that molten material is poured into a pattern. Pattern is nothing but it's a replica of any object. It's known also as mold. In that mold we have many types of molds and it's going to be many things in this for casting also. We are going to learn it in second sem. So in this casting, metal working, metal cutting, joining and the surface treatment, basic workshop processes like carpentry, fitting, forging, sheet metal and cold and hot processing. In this we have every type of manufacturing process. If we need any good or any raw material, now we have this marker. This marker is going to be a plastic one. It have to be in a mold. Now it should have a pattern. It should be a pattern given for this cap, because in this cap we have the wave formed in this cap. So the pattern whatever we are going to make it can be in wooden one or wax one or any type metal one also we can make the pattern, the formation of the mold. So firstly basically let's talk about now after the casting let's talk about metal working in the sense of dealing every process of basic workshop technology like carpentry, forging or any other process of basic workshop technology. It's nothing but which deals with only metal sheet or molten metal. So it's going to be metal working. Metal cutting, if we have any sheet and we need to change it into a funnel, because in large industries we can see the funnels like with the metal sheet. So metal funnel is made up of all the circle sheet metal is cut in the center radius of R and this total will be our diameter. So metal cutting, after cutting this it can be folded like this. Means we are just rotating this circular part. When it is cut over here we are rotating that and we are going to get into a cone shape. So now we need the cone shape bottom face base. So we are going to cut the radius of the circle which is equals to diameter, and we are going to place the round circle. In this process, joining these both particles, the cone and the circle, is nothing but joining the metal. It's joining the process. In joining process, this work is done. And surface treatment. In fitting, we have to make any metal to have with the help of filers, we will make the metal to be smooth. Now this part of the cap of the marker is rough because of the waves, and this part of the marker body is with the smooth one because it's having the smooth finish given to this marker body. So it's nothing but surface treatment. And basic workshop processes: the carpentry, fitting, forging, sheet metal, and cold and hot working process. In this carpentry deals with wood. The wood is turned into many things. You guys can see wood things in your house itself, like wooden table, wooden bed, wooden windows, and many more things in your houses. So wood is most in that we have many types of wood like mango wood, teak wood, and neem wood. There are many types of trees wood we use in carpentry. The most important wood is now in this trending is teak wood. Teak wood we can make any type of designs in any machines, like we are having lathe machine, we are having the making of these the bed one down, we will have the leg of the beds, no? If this is the bed or any table, wooden table or wooden chair, we are going to have this leg part, no? In this leg part I'm going to draw here. If we have any cuts or any design like this, I'm just drawing, not exactly I'm drawing it, like this, any pattern cuts, the cutting part will be like this, so it will be little bit upwards. If you see any wooden like beds or any table, you see the leg of that, it might be like this. This one, this is going to be with a rubber one because wood can be stable on floor, but for the grip, if we are keeping our weight on that, we need some weight to stop that, right? In our body itself we have much weight in these days, so the legs are having much strength for carrying our weight. So same thing for the tables, chair, any etc. The rubber is used for the balance and for the if this is the ground, the gravitational pull between the table and the floor will be stuck to that, so it will not be any shaking or anything else. So in fitting we are going to be done with the dealing with metal work. Most of the metal work is done in fitting. In fitting we have the smooth finish also. If this is going to be your work table over there in your fitting, there you have a whole bench wise which has your handle and here both a bit. I will explain you in another video. This is just telling you guys about the first basic workshop only. In this we have to keep the metal piece like this. This is going to be your handle here. In this we are having two types. One is fixed and one is movable, because it should be moving according to your metal or any size of things. So if this is going to be your metal workpiece, and here you are going to file it with a filer. You are going to file over here for the smooth surface. This is nothing but smooth treatment. And dealing with forging. Forging is nothing but it's dealing with heating of any material. It's known as forging. Forging, we can do any metal casting also, like gold. We are having gold ornaments many. So in that, how is that gold is going to be formed? The earth, from the earth we are getting the gold. So gold is heated and be rammed, and it is going to form into the required of ours, like in a earring. For the example of earring, this is going to be a button of the earring, and this is going to be your earring design. Inside you will see like this. The rod is also with gold, the screw is also with the gold. On these beads you will find like this. These all curves is done nothing but in forging. And we come into sheet metal. Sheet metal is nothing but dealing with again the metal working, metal cutting, metal joining, and surface treatment is not in the sheet metal. It's going to be joined with joining process, and hot and cold working process is nothing but recrystallization of the object is above, means it's hot working, which recrystallization temperature is below, it's nothing but cold working. Those will be discussed in the second sem. So once again I give the summary of this video. Basic workshop technology of in that processor in manufacturing process we have casting, metal working, metal cutting, metal joining, and the surface treatment, and basic workshop technology like carpentry, fitting, forging, sheet metal, cold and hot working process. Thank you guys for watching my videos.